Good afternoon, fellow car enthusiasts. Today I wanted to show you the LS1 intake that I have made using a GM LS1 MAF, or truck manifold MAF. The reason I'm doing this is because MS3 has predefined calibration curves for the GM MAF, and I already had one because when I bought the swap it came with a harness, a destroyed harness that is, and the MAF and all that good stuff. So without further ado, I will show you the intake. Alright, so here's the intake. It was a K&N filter for $35, a coupler for about $20, and it came with 2 T-clamps. I think this was like 10 or 12, and then this was $50, but I got 2 of these, so right around $25 for the intercooler piping used. I had to trim down a small bit right around here on the intake to get it to fit flush. Other than that, it was next to no modification to do this. I will be doing some heat tape over here to reduce intake temperatures. Other than that, pretty simple. It's going to an 85mm manual cable throttle body and an LS6 intake manifold. So yeah, we're pretty set on that, and that covers another section of the build.